The ocean, a realm of boundless mystery and breathtaking beauty, cradles within its depths creatures of such extraordinary form and function that they often defy our terrestrial understanding. Among these, the jellyfish drift as ethereal dancers, their translucent bodies pulsing with a rhythm as ancient as the tides themselves. These are not mere blobs of jelly, as their common name might suggest, but highly specialized animals, their delicate forms belying a remarkable capacity for survival in the vast, often challenging marine world. They are phantoms of the currents, living embodiments of the ocean's enigmatic allure, inviting us to peer closer into their gelatinous, shimmering existence. Their very structure speaks of a design perfected over eons, lacking bones, brains, or even hearts in the way we comprehend them. Jellyfish are a testament to life's ingenuity, thriving with a simplicity that is, in itself, profoundly complex. Their bells, often adorned with intricate patterns, contract and expand, propelling them through the water with a grace that can be utterly mesmerizing. Trailing behind, their tentacles, sometimes delicate and almost invisible, at other times long and ribbon-like, are armed with microscopic stinging cells, a crucial adaptation for capturing prey in the competitive aquatic environment. These are creatures that have witnessed the dawn of complex life and continue to flourish. Indeed, the lineage of the jellyfish stretches back into the mists of prehistoric time, long before dinosaurs roamed the earth, long before even the first fish swam in primordial seas. They are living fossils, survivors of multiple mass extinctions, their ghostly forms having navigated the Earth's oceans for over 500 million years. To observe a jellyfish is to witness a living connection to the planet's deep past, a silent, pulsating reminder of the enduring power and relentless creativity of nature. Join me as we delve into the world of these fascinating marine marvels, exploring the secrets held within their gentle, yet sometimes formidable presence. When we consider the intricate workings of life, we often think of complex organs, a beating heart, a thinking brain. Yet the jellyfish, an animal of undeniable success, operates without either. Instead of a centralized brain, a diffuse network of nerves, a nerve net, lies just beneath its outer layer. This remarkable system allows the jellyfish to sense its environment, changes in light, chemical cues, the touch of another creature, and to coordinate the rhythmic pulsations of its bell for movement and feeding. It is a decentralized intelligence, a web of sensation and response perfectly attuned to its aquatic existence, proving that complexity is not always a prerequisite for survival. The body of a jellyfish is a marvel of minimalist design, typically composed of over 95% water, giving it that characteristic ethereal, gelatinous appearance. The dominant feature is the bell, or medusa, which can range from the size of a thimble to several meters across. This bell is not merely a passive float. Powerful muscles within its rim contract, expelling water and propelling the creature forward with a gentle, hypnotic grace. From the margins of this bell, or from a central stalk called the manubrium, hang the tentacles, the jellyfish's primary tools for interacting with its world. These can vary enormously in length and number. Each are delicate, yet potentially deadly, extension of the animal. Beneath the bell, the manubrium also houses the mouth, often surrounded by frilled oral arms that help guide captured prey. Digestion occurs within a simple cavity, the gastrovascular cavity, which also serves to distribute nutrients throughout the body. There are no specialized respiratory organs. Oxygen simply diffuses across the thin membranes of its body directly from the surrounding water. This streamlined anatomy, honed over countless millennia, allows the jellyfish to thrive with an efficiency that is both elegant and astonishingly effective, a testament to nature's ability to achieve sophisticated ends through seemingly simple means. In the perpetual twilight of the ocean's deeper zones or under the cloak of night in shallower waters, a select group of jellyfish transform into living beacons, emitting their own ethereal light. This phenomenon, known as bioluminescence, is one of nature's most captivating displays. It is not a harsh artificial glare but a cool, ghostly radiance, often appearing as subtle shimmers, brilliant flashes, or even intricate patterns that dance across their translucent forms. The ability to produce light is a chemical miracle, a reaction within specialized cells that converts chemical energy into a soft, living glow, painting the dark canvas of the ocean with fleeting strokes of light. The reasons behind this mesmerizing luminescence are as varied as the jellyfish themselves. For some, it may serve as a startling defense mechanism. A sudden flash of light can surprise a potential predator, momentarily disorienting it and allowing the jellyfish a precious opportunity to escape into the surrounding darkness. For others, the light can be a lure, attracting unsuspecting prey towards the waiting tentacles, a deceptive beacon in the food-scarce depths. In the complex ballet of marine life, where visibility is often limited, these self-generated signals can be crucial for survival, turning the jellyfish into a master of light and shadow. Furthermore, it's believed that some species might use their bioluminescent displays for communication, perhaps to attract mates in the vast dark expanse of the ocean or to signal their species' identity. Imagine, if you will, a silent, luminous conversation unfolding in the abyss, a language written in pulses and glows. The precise mechanisms and purposes are still being unraveled by scientists, but each discovery only deepens our appreciation for these glowing drifters. The sight of a bioluminescent jellyfish, a delicate lantern adrift in the inky black, is a profound reminder of the hidden wonders that persist in the unexplored corners of our planet's oceans. While many jellyfish possess a sting that is merely irritating to humans, there exists a group whose delicate beauty belies a truly formidable power: the box jellyfish. Found predominantly in the warm coastal waters of the Indo-Pacific and northern Australia, these creatures, distinguished by their cube-shaped bells, are among the most venomous animals on Earth. Species such as Chironex fleckeri, the Australian box jellyfish, carry a toxin so potent that a significant envenomation can prove fatal to an adult human in mere minutes, a stark contrast to their seemingly fragile appearance. Their fearsome reputation stems from their highly specialized stinging cells, called cnidocytes, which are concentrated on their trailing tentacles. Each cnidocyte contains a harpoon-like structure called a nematocyst, coiled and ready to discharge upon contact. When a tentacle brushes against prey or an unsuspecting swimmer, thousands of these microscopic harpoons fire simultaneously, injecting venom deep into the victim's tissues. The venom itself is a complex cocktail of toxins designed to rapidly paralyze or kill fish and crustaceans, but tragically effective against larger animals as well, including humans, causing excruciating pain, tissue necrosis, and in severe cases, cardiac arrest. The box jellyfish is not a passive drifter like many of its relatives. It possesses a more advanced visual system, with clusters of eyes on each side of its bell, allowing it to actively hunt and navigate through complex environments like mangrove forests or coral reefs. This more active predatory lifestyle, combined with the sheer potency of its sting, makes encounters with box jellyfish particularly perilous. Their presence serves as a sobering reminder that even the most graceful and seemingly delicate of nature's creations can possess astonishingly powerful mechanisms for survival and predation, demanding our utmost respect and caution. The concept of immortality has captivated human imagination for millennia, a dream of eternal life often relegated to myth and legend. Yet within the ocean's embrace, there exists a tiny hydrozoan, Turritopsis dohrnii, commonly known as the immortal jellyfish, which possesses a remarkable biological capability that borders on this very notion. This creature, no larger than a fingernail, holds the secret to reversing its own aging process, a feat unparalleled in the animal kingdom, and one that continues to astound the scientific community. It does not simply live for an exceptionally long time, it can, in theory, live forever, when faced with environmental stress, physical damage, or even old age. The adult medusa of Turritopsis dohrnii can undergo a process called transdifferentiation. Instead of succumbing to death, it settles on the seabed and its cells transform, reverting back to their earliest stage of life, a polyp colony. It is as if a butterfly nearing the end of its life could transform back into a caterpillar and then eventually become a butterfly once more. This polyp colony can then bud off new genetically identical medusae, effectively restarting the jellyfish's life cycle from the beginning. This extraordinary ability does not mean that individual immortal jellyfish cannot die. They can still fall prey to predators or succumb to disease. However, their capacity to biologically revert to a juvenile state and begin anew grants them a potential for indefinite lifespan, a cyclical existence that defies the linear progression of aging we observe in almost all other multicellular organisms. The study of Turritopsis dohrnii offers tantalizing insights into cellular regeneration and the fundamental processes of aging, reminding us that nature's ingenuity often presents solutions to challenges we are only just beginning to comprehend, hidden within its most unassuming creations. Long before the first dinosaurs left their footprints on terrestrial Earth, long before the rise of mammals or the blossoming of the first flowers, the jellyfish were already ancient inhabitants of our planet's oceans. Fossil evidence, though scarce due to their soft bodies, suggests that these gelatinous beings have been drifting through the marine world for an astonishing period, over 500 million years, perhaps even as far back as 700 million years. This places their origins deep within the Ediacaran period, a time when complex multicellular life was just beginning to experiment with form and function. To comprehend such a vast timescale is almost beyond human grasp. They have silently witnessed the shifting of continents, the rise and fall of countless species, and dramatic changes in global climate. While mighty reptilian giants and formidable marine predators have come and gone, vanishing into the fossil record, the jellyfish, in their simple elegance, have persisted. Their fundamental body plan, a bell and tentacles, has proven to be an incredibly resilient and adaptable design, allowing them to navigate the ever-changing conditions of the Earth's oceans through countless epochs. Their enduring success speaks volumes about their evolutionary strategy, their simple needs, their ability to thrive in a wide range of temperatures and salinities, and their diverse methods of feeding and reproduction have equipped them to survive where more complex organisms have faltered. From the sunlit surface waters to the crushing pressures of the deep abyss, jellyfish have colonized virtually every marine habitat. They are not merely passive drifters at the mercy of the currents, but active survivors, true veterans of life on Earth. Their ghostly forms a living testament to the enduring power of simplicity and adaptation. As our journey through the world of jellyfish draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of wonder at these ethereal, yet remarkably resilient inhabitants of our oceans. From their brainless, heartless existence, guided by a simple nerve net, to the living light produced by bioluminescent species, and the astonishing potential for immortality found in some, jellyfish continually challenge our perceptions of life itself. They are a testament to nature's boundless creativity, showcasing how simplicity can lead to enduring success across vast geological timescales. These ancient mariners, older than the dinosaurs, continue to pulse through the waters, playing vital roles in marine ecosystems, sometimes as predator, sometimes as prey, and always as a source of fascination. The delicate dance of their bells, the trailing elegance of their tentacles, these are sights that connect us to the deep, mysterious heart of the ocean. The more we learn about them, the more we understand the intricate web of life that sustains our planet, and the more we appreciate the sheer diversity that thrives beneath the waves. The ocean still holds so many secrets, and the jellyfish are but one chapter in its immense story. What was your favorite revelation about these mesmerizing creatures today? Perhaps the fact that some can glow in the dark, or that one species holds the key to biological immortality. Please, do share your thoughts and most cherished jellyfish fact in the comments below. And tell me, is there a particular type of jellyfish, perhaps the giant lion's mane or the delicate flower hat, that you would like us to explore in greater detail in a future voyage? Until then, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to guide you.